Hi friends, today is my topic MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. Uh, there is doubt is the mind of many people about this thing. Most of the new generation boys are girls. So let's start now. So guys, MTP, the period from the conception to birth is known as pregnancy. Once the sperm fertilizes with the egg, it get implanted in the uterus. So this later develop into the placenta, embryo, and lastly from the fetus. The duration of the pregnancy involved around 40 weeks. This started from the first day the woman last menstruation cycle. This is divided into three trimesters each. It lasts for the month medical termination of the absorption. The absorption means either taking medicine or having surgical treatment in other to the end pregnancy. So, absorption pill surgical termination can be performed up to 13 weeks and third and last medical termination can be performed up to 24 weeks. Okay, so come to the point, absorption pills, a combination of two drug normally by the MIF, Peristone and prostaglandin when given at the take time interval of the 48 hours. A combination help in termination the pregnancy. This method is used mainly for 4 weeks old pregnancy. The mechanism of with the drug cause termination involve the concentration of the form resulting the schedule of its timing. Okay, the process can cause pain is a woman common side effect method, vomiting, diarrhea, excessive vagina bleeding. Okay, so this is called an absorption pill. And second topic, surgical termination can be performed to 13 weeks. In this process, sterile tube insert the cervix into the womb and mild suction. Mild suction is applied through is under the effect of local anesthesia. This is local anesthesia. This lead to the termination of the pregnancy. After 13 weeks, from the 14 to 90 weeks process uses the slightly different known as the surgical dilation and evolution. In the method, the womb stitch open with the help and forceps and the fetus is removed. And third is last topic, medical termination can be performed up to 24 weeks. So can I talk to you such late absorption are very rare nowadays. Course of the two different type of medicine are given to the patient. Firstly, mifepristone and is given orally at the hospital or clinic under the supervision of the RPM. After 48 hours. Drug administration, another medicine known prostaglandin is given either orally as the vaginal under the supervision of medical termination of the pregnancy, usually within 12 hours administration of medicine when it passes through the vagina. Okay, so let's last and next topic, side effect. The साइड इफेक्ट सक्सेसफुल ट्रीटमेंट लीड टू कंटेन अनवांटेड टेम्परेरी साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ द फॉलो abdominal pain, vomiting, vaginal bleeding. So last time topic infection. So antibiotic can be given in order deal with the infection. तो गाइस कैसा लगा ये वीडियो, क्योंकि आजकल के बहुत लड़के और लड़कियों में ये चीज़ रहता है कि शारीरिक संबंध बनाने के बाद या रिलेशनशिप में आने के बाद ये चीज़ क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है। इस चीज़ को मैं क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ कि देखिए 3 टाइप में होते हैं। अगर आप अभी तो मार्केट में बहुत सारी मेडिसिन आ गई हैं, अनवांटेड 72 आई पिल्स, तो ये सब के लेने से क्या होता है कि यूट्रस ख़राब हो जाता है, बेकार हो जाता है, जिससे चल के आगे चल के लड़कियों को प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करनी पड़ती है। तो मेरा मानना ये है कि आप लोग ये चीज़ बिल्कुल मत करें, सेफ़ रहें और सेफ दूसरे को भी रखें। ठीक है गाइस, तो इस चीज़ को लेकर बहुत लोगों को कन्फ्यूजन था। और अगर चैनल पर नया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक और शेयर वीडियो को ज़रूर करिएगा। ठीक है।